What up? We made it. Took us forever, and I think I finally laid down at 4 o'clock last night, but we made it. Oh yeah, we made it. Yeah. There's the campground. Let's get some breakfast. We got old Marky Mark, a little Jared, a little Sammy. And then that dude, I don't know who he is. Yeah. little Jerry.
Just a straggler we picked up along the way.
Yeah. So I have no audio going up the mountain today. So you guys will get to enjoy Germany Valley ride without me talking. Nah. Jerry. Woo woo. There's some Jerry.
Bucks make some beers.
I got service. They got service too. So if anyone's wanting to know why we're like, oh, we got service, because anywhere you go in this county, there's zero service except for in Franklin.
And you would think the highest point of West Virginia.
Wrong. Try again.
It's not.
No, I'm saying.
Oh.
I think you'd have service.
Yeah.
So it's like,
Oh,
wrong.
okay,
Try
yeah.
again. And instead of soaking in the sides, what?
Huh?
Some more.
Yo.
What do you got to say about the people that missed out today?
I feel like they're getting rained on in Princeton and we're here in the beautiful sunshine. That's how I feel.
Hey, no joke though. We miss everybody that did not get to come. You know, Harley, Mike, Ronnie, DJ, Tony, Austin.
It ain't the same without you guys.
It's not, but it's still fun.
Yeah, when we first started planning this trip, we were really afraid that we were going to get wet the whole time, and the only thing that got wet last night was my...
Wait, there's all guys here. Sorry if I'm gonna get wet. Spruce Mountain is
That'd be way better fry hamburgers on it. You
So
have
cool.
about the flames.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
all right. See you later, Colt.
Oh hey, I'm back.
So in case anybody was wanting to know, Colton finally made it.
Wasn't easy.
4 hours of riding in the solid rain.
I wish it was only 4 hours.
It was more like
5.
5.5.
Felt like 23.
But when you
23 days.
but when you ride a Harley, feels like an hour. What up?
What up?
So we're at Seneca Rocks. You can kind of see them, maybe back there. Yeah, right. Hold on, I'm in the way. There. That's them right there. Anyways, we got the whole crew. And by the whole crew, me, Colton, Jerry, Jarrett, Mark.
We're about to go climb the mountain.
No, we're not. Jerry might.
No.
He's gonna free climb it.
Jerry too fast. He'll fall.
So we're at the site's residence. If you can see this house behind me, barely see it maybe. I got some pictures of it, I'll put it up. It was built in 1839. It was restored in the 90s, but it's still cool to look at. And right now we are walking through a herb garden.
Brandywine tomatoes.
So, yeah, man, really cool. Oh, there he is. There's Marky Mark. Yeah, so a little rainy today, but it ain't no big deal. Ain't no big deal at all. I'll tell you what, let's walk over to the bikes and see what everybody's riding. Alrighty. Again, a little rainy, just a little. Not bad though. With that being said, we are having a blast today, as always. Alrighty, let's check these bad boys out, shall we? You got the Mean Streak, Kawasaki 1500 Mean Streak. One bad mother. Next, you've got the Honda VTX 1300. I have no idea what year Mark's motorcycle is, but it's a Honda VTX 1300. Clean this limb. That's better. Up next, 2009 Harley Davidson Road King, owned by Colton. She's nice. She's real nice. Over here, 2015 Honda VTX blah 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 blah. It's a Fury, a Honda Fury 1300. One bad ride, and of course, everybody knows Miss Lovely. Haven't named her yet. 2009 Harley Davidson Ultra Classic. Dig it. There would be more bikes here, but everybody else kind of bailed out on us, unfortunately. Hey, it is what it is, man. You guys do you. We're still having a blast. Cannot wait to upload all this footage so you guys can see all the cool stuff we've done. We're gonna take some more video at camp tonight, because it's probably gonna be getting a little crazy tonight, because you haven't saw any beer. There's only been a little bit. Not too bad, but we're gonna get to it. Right now though, we're gonna go get some grubby dubby.